in, and Martha has stepped in, and the last one into the gates is Honeypot. They all locked up and ready. 8 runners in the gates, ready to be dispatched. Undoubtedly, and off they go for the opening event of the weekend of the Derby races here at Bangalore, and the first race, which is the Scondra Cup, and we have the first runner to hit the front as Cascade, the leader, from Royal Whisper running second. Jen comes another 3/4 lengths behind as Martha, who's starting about 5 deep off the fence. In between runners is Ice Storm. Varzano is nicely positioned. Then came Honeypot, followed by Sea Diamond, and another 2.5 lengths behind. Running last at the stage is Southern Aristocrat. Back to the leader, Cascade at the 900, leads this field almost about 2 to the head of Royal Whisper running second. Then comes Ice Storm. Varzano is in the inside railing. Martha comes the next. Sea Diamond is tracking him on the inside railing. Then comes Honeypot, and further back another 5-6 lengths behind a Southern Aristocrat as they begin to negotiate the bend and straighten up for the final run. And round the turn into the straight and top the home straight for the running of the first race, which is the Scondra Cup, and Cascade brings them into the home straight by a margin of almost 3 lengths in front. Varzano moving up on the outside. Under the whip is Royal Whisper. Behind them comes the next Sea Diamond, but Cascade still traveling well, almost about 2.5 in front. Varzano starting to inch his way on the outside, but covering ground, and further back comes the next Sea Diamond, but it's Cascade still the leader by about 1.25 lengths in front of Varzano. Cascade